Okay, students, so today we have read this chapter, lesson number 5, what happened when we eat. So, whenever we start eating, it starts from our mouth. We chew food with our teeth, it breaks down into small pieces, and we have a liquid in our mouth that is called saliva that helps the food to mix, and it is easy to swallow. And uh, and the tongue is used to mix the food with the saliva. The food then is passed to stomach where it stays for 3 hours. Then the food is passed to a small intestine, then a large intestine, and the solid part is sent out to the body through an opening called anus. It is a waste substance. In this table, they are given some eating correctly, some eating habits which you should have, which you have to follow. These are very necessary to follow. This diagram is really very important. You can see the mouth is labeled here. This is our food pipe, which helps the food to go to the stomach. Then we have a stomach. Then there come small intestines like these. Then large intestine, and the solid waste is passed through anus. That's it.